Guys, it's Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. This video is actually quite surprising because I received this in the mail. It's from Tsuchronicl and I'm figuring this is like a Christmas thing for me because she decorated it really cute, and on the back it's like so adorable. And am I surprised by this? I am totally not surprised that she glued a cat right here. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get this open because I don't want to make this video as long as it shouldn't be. So, yeah, I'm going to put my phone down because I'm just working with one hand right now and I don't want you guys to see me struggle to get this open. So hold up. Oh no, the cat's ripping. Oh no. I have to sacrifice the cat. Well, Mr. Cat, your life was treasured, but sadly you had to be sacrificed for this package. Look what you made me do, Sue. You made me kill this poor cat. But yeah, so hopefully I should open this with one hand. Shouldn't be that difficult, as so I say. Let me put my phone down again. Alrighty, so it is finally open. If my phone would focus. Come on, phone. Alrighty, my phone is now focused. So I'm going to take out this first. Oh no, it's wrapped. It's wrapped. Sue, why do you do this to me? Why do you do this to me? I pulled everything out. Hopefully that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. Alrighty then. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, here's the letter. Alright, so it says, come on, phone, focus. There we go. Hey, Narelle, I hope this special envelope gets to you safely. I have a surprise for you again, Sue. Okay, I see how it is. So be prepared to die. Just kidding. You should be kidding. I hope you're kidding because you like to lie to me sometimes, Sue. But I hope you like what I drew for you because your OCs are freaking awesome, my children. I never know who to draw. Cries. There you go. Thank you for an amazing year and being an awesome friend. I really appreciate it. Oh, happy holidays, Tsuchronicl. And for the sake, oh god, okay, trying to get this in frame. For the sake of making this look Christmassy, she would obey Santa. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And alrighty, my phone decided to run out of space on me, but like I was saying, I am not surprised that this paper has a lot of cats on it. So yeah, so I will put this with all my other letters, Sue, and I will be sending you something back in the mail. So be stalking your mailbox pretty soon. So I'm just gonna pick one. I'll pick this one. I'll just pick this one. Alright, so this one states, this guy looks hot. Looks hot? Is that hot? Is that hot? Yes. Yes, this guy looks hot AF. I'm not gonna say what that means because I need to be appropriate, but I think a lot of you guys know what that means when you draw him. Oh heck, all the guys you draw look hot AF. Keep them coming for 218. Oh my gosh, and she's dead. Oh my gosh, now I gotta pull this off. I'm like going to blindly pull this off. I'm trying to. Did she glue this? I think you stuck it to the back. I can roughly see who it is, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna take this off. 1, 2, 3, and go. Ah! It's not real. It's not real. That's a reindeer. Why do you do this to me? And she puts Naru with the heart. Why do you do this to me? He looks so cute. I love this so much. I'm so happy I got my phone quality. Because look at this, guys. It's so flippin' adorable. And if you guys don't know, Naru's like my first ever made character, so that's why this means so much to me. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna cherish that for the rest of my living life. So I guess this is the last one. Alrighty. So this girl, okay, she gave me a guy and a girl. Looks absolutely gorgeous. I freaking love her hair. Sorry, I'm trying to generalize so you don't know who she is, lol. Oh, that's fine, because half of the time I don't know who my characters are. People can say, yeah, Narelle, I really like this character of yours, and I'm like, who are you talking about? I'm a sad mother. Alrighty, but you probably already saw the name in the back. Psst. No, I did not. I did not see the name on the back, so you're lucky there. But I'm gonna pull this off, trying not to see the name on the back because I opened this the right way. All right, so and a 1 and a 2 and a 3, go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did she draw the couple? She drew the couple. And it's oh my gosh! She drew husband and waifu. Let me try to pick this up with one hand. I'm sucking so bad at this. Come on, Narelle. Get your stuff together. But she is Mrs. Claus, and he's a reindeer. This is so cute. Ah! Oh my god. I gotta make this like the thumbnail because this is like the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. Thank you for surprising me with my death, Sue. It's okay. It's like going to be perfectly fine because I'm going to surprise you with your death pretty soon if my package makes it to you by January. because by the rate my packages are going, you might not get it by next September. So anyways, I freaking love this. I can't. So thank you so much, Sue, and I will have all of her links in my description of this video below, so go check her out. And I will actually have a subscribe button right here to subscribe to her because her art too is so adorable. So thank you so much, Sue. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.